Find the a sub 6 or the sixth term by using the formula. So we have here the given. A sub 1 is 3. The number of terms is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the common difference is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Plug in these values in this formula. So we have a sub 1 is 3. N is 6 and the common difference is 6. If we solve this, a sub 6 is equal to 33.